What's up, you guys? It's Eladia, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a giveaway. Another one. I know.
It's kind of like, Hillary, like, what are you doing? Like, your whole channel is about giveaways.
Well, you're welcome. Like, seriously? I try to get the best of best. The best of the best. To give you guys free stuff. All you have to do is pretty much subscribe, follow on Instagram. It literally takes a second. So if you guys don't have a YouTube channel, I mean, make one and you guys could definitely get any of this stuff free. My boyfriend just shut off the TV so he could listen. Don't you hate that? Like, just ask. For the fishbowl giveaway that I did at Charming Charlie's. There you go, Hills. Getting better. I'm just gonna, you know, get it together, Hillary. Get it together. So I'm gonna pick out a name. I'm not looking. Let me do that again. All right, girl. Eyelashes on fleek. You go, girl. You go, girl. Alejandra Perez won the Fishbowl Charming Charlie's $20 gift certificate. So the winner for the Plato's Closet gift certificate for $20 is Cinnamon Toast Crunch on Instagram. If you guys can message me, we can meet up. I can give you guys the cards, or I can keep the cards at Plato's Closet and at Charming Charlie's, and when you guys come up, I will tell them your name and your information. You just give them your information and you get your card there, so we don't have to go through all that, you know. My friend Lizzie actually does this professionally. So we are giving 10 pairs of individual natural single layered lashes to you guys. So what I want you guys to do is tag one person, and when I think of one person, I think of my best friend. So say you guys want to get your guys' lashes done together. Tag your best friend. So you and your best friend. Your best friend has to share it as well. So both of you guys have to share it to be able to win this giveaway. So I'm gonna 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes, I know math, really. It just comes to me, you know? So anyways, I'm gonna pick 5 of your guys' groups. So all of you guys have a chance to doing this. But the catch is, I'm not gonna go through Facebook or Instagram and see who shared it or not. Facebook and Instagram, you guys know it takes forever to find your posts. So I want you guys to message me on Instagram or Facebook Messenger. Like I said, you guys don't have me on social media, it'll be right here and right here. Oh, you guys aren't subscribed to my channel? Subscribe right here. You guys get the rules, right? You guys need to tag your best friend in your post. Your best friend has to share the post as well, and you both have to send me the screenshots that you guys have followed Lizzie's Instagram, you followed me on Instagram, and you subscribe to my channel. You and your best friend have to do all 3 of those things. But the catch, you guys have till Saturday night to get all that together. Another thing, next week is the only time you guys can get your lash extensions. So if you guys are busy next week, I'm sorry, but you guys are not eligible because this giveaway is only for next week. So we will be giving the giveaway out on Sunday. These lashes are the bomb. The bomb.
Starts on the beat.